Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 15th May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for a short-term income trade. That is nothing but a daily income trade and hourly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So from our channel, click on this community tab, then you will get into this post. Here you can find a link that will take you to all the training videos. So I'm clicking on this YouTube playlist. Now I get into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training videos. So you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1. all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in the channel, or any other important updates also we will provide in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. And for bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in the third row, bullish or bearish trade setup, in the entry time frame, that is 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. That means we need to generate bullish report. Apart from this, I am also going to set three additional parameters. The first parameter, the pierced count of a zone should be 0. Which zone? Because you selected an entry zone as a demand zone. The 15 minutes demand zone, pierced count should be 0. That means zone should not be pierced. So here we have a parameter called pierced count. Look into this last parameter in this page, pierced count. Because our entry time frame is 15 minutes, so in 15 minutes, I am selecting the minimum value as 0 and maximum value as 0. That indicates zone pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. Which zone? Demand zone for 15 minutes time frame. And the second filter I am going to set zone achievement. It should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. Which zone? Again same, entry zone. Demand zone for 15 minutes time frame. Your zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. For the same 15 minutes demand zone, your minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. For bullish or bearish trade setup, the minimum score should be 12. So with these filters, we are generating the report. If any of the stocks are not satisfied with these filter values, that stock won't be listed, even though it supports bullish trade setup. So I am filtering the stocks. Now total 8 stocks are filtered. Currently these 8 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and move on to the next report. So you please pause the video and you can go through all the columns in this report. If required, you can also draw the zones in the trading view or any of the chart applications by taking the timestamps from leg in and leg out and also the base candle count. In case if you are not in a position to understand this report, please complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, I clearly explained each and every column in detail, and all these names and their abbreviations, their usage, everything I explained. So please go through that video. In the same video, I also shown you how I draw the zones by taking the timestamps from leg in and leg out and base candle count. And in trading view, how I drawn the zones, I explained. Okay, now let me move on to the next report, that is bearish trade setup for daily income trade. I am going back. So entry time frame is 15 minutes for daily income trade. But bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, I have to select the value bearish. And the three filters, whatever we set, the three filters remain same, but this time the three filters are applied to the supply zone. 15 minutes time frame, supply zone, the filters will be applied. So now I am filtering the stocks. So 7 stocks are filtered. These 7 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for a daily income trade. For daily income trade, your time frame, entry time frame is 15 minutes. Okay, now let me generate bullish and bearish trade setups for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. For bullish trade setup, for hourly income trade, entry zone should be demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time the entry time frame is changed to 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value as bullish. Also I need to set the 3 filters. The first filter is zone should not be pierced. That means pierced count should be 0. So here in pierced count, in 5 minutes time frame, minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0. That means zone is not pierced. And zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setup. Now this time all these parameters are applied to 5 minutes demand zone. Entry time frame 5 minutes, entry zone is demand zone. Now with these filters, let us generate the list. Now 8 stocks are filtered. These 8 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Okay, now let me generate bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. Entry time frame is 5 minutes for hourly income trade, but bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, now I have to select the value bearish. And the 3 filters, whatever we set, they still remain same, but this time the 3 filters are applied to 5 minutes supply zone. So I am generating the report. Now 5 stocks are filtered. They are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So these are the stocks that are supporting bullish and bearish trade setup. And in the final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So these are the stop buffers. This is the daily ATR, and 5% ATR you have to use it for DIT, daily income trade. 3% ATR you have to use it for HIT, that is hourly income trade. So I will be scrolling this list down. Before that, first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but they are taken from F&O category. So I will be scrolling this list down. Each time when I scroll down this list, I will be giving you only few seconds time. Any of the stock you want to refer, please pause the video. So let me scroll this list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.